Hello kids, today we are going to learn about shapes. Circle, oval, triangle, square, rectangle, heart, star, diamond, octagon, pentagon, hexagon, crescent. Let's start colors. Circle, pink color. Pink color circle. Oval, green color. Green color oval. Triangle, yellow color. Yellow color triangle. Square, blue color. Blue color square. Rectangle, orange color. Orange color rectangle, heart, red color. Red color heart, star, mauve color. Mauve color star, diamond, brown color. Octagon, light blue color. Light blue color octagon. Pentagon, light green color. Light green color pentagon. Black color hexagon. Black color hexagon. Crescent, yellow color. Pink circle, green oval, yellow triangle, blue square, orange rectangle, red heart, mauve star, brown diamond, light blue octagon, green pentagon, black hexagon, yellow crescent.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye.